Hello YouTube and gun streamer. I thought I would have a quick little video show you how I'm putting together this Harry's holster. This is DIY. Very nice, adjustable. You can put it where you want. I don't like it right at the top or right at the bottom. I like it right in the middle. So it comes with the screw and the square bolt. See, you can see that. And I put just a dab of thread lock on the bolt, and then I screw this together. Make sure it's tight. That's right. And the other side, tighten it. Thread locker, this is not gonna go anywhere when I'm done. So make sure that's tight. And now that it's screwed in tightly, yep, I am ready to go. See how easy that was? And I can wear this with or without a belt. It's done better with the belt, but this clip, it's almost like a uticlip. It's very strong. So it's one clip, but it really is two. So 1, 2. So put this on there. Really nice textured kydex. This is very easily concealable for right or left hand. So now that I have that on there, let's go ahead and put this on. There you go. And very nice. I like the way that looks. Thank you, Harry, again. If I can get a holster from Harry that come with my gun model, I will. This is the Shield Singleton 3.1, and I really enjoy it. This is very easy to loop my belt through or just wear it with my jeans. And I have his card here, some contact information. I'll link it below too, www.harrysholsters.com. He's also on Facebook, Insta, and YouTube. And just a little instructions for how to use it. I apply it 5 minutes, kind of did all that for this, and then let it sit. All right, thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you later. Keep shooting.